Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Rhythmias. In the last video, we have discussed the basic concept of PQRST. And today we are going to talk about the standardization in ECG paper. If you look at the ECG paper, in the bottom, you will have some numbers 25 millisecond and 10 milliwatt. Let's discuss these numbers here. This is a part of ECG paper. This ECG paper is divided into large squares 5 millimeter wide, and these large square boxes are further divided into small square, each 1 millimeter in width. So if you can see here, we have x-axis that shows the duration expressed in millisecond, and y-axis denotes amplitude, which is expressed in milliwatt. Each large box contains 0.2 seconds, or you can say 200 milliseconds, and each large box has 5 small boxes. So the duration of each small box is 0.04 seconds or 40 milliseconds. Now come to the x-axis. The amplitude of large box is equal to 0.5 milliseconds, and each large box contains 5 small boxes in y-axis. So the amplitude of each box will be 0.1 millisecond. 0.5 divided into 5 equal to 0.51 millisecond. Okay. So let's move forward towards the standardization. When you try to interpret an ECG, you will see the standardization first, because it tells you true duration and amplitude in ECG. It is denoted by the head shape symbol present in the left corner of ECG paper. So the duration of the standardization should be one large box in x-axis, which is 200 millisecond, and the amplitude should be 2 large boxes in y-axis, that is 1 milliwatt. As you can see here clearly, the symbol of amplitude, duration and standardization. Okay. So let's move forward and let's discuss some examples over here. Amplitude of standardization is half than the normal. So the ECG waves are appearing smaller than it should be, right? Next, we have amplitude of standardization is double than the normal. So the ECG waves are appearing larger than it should be. Okay, and by missing this, you may interpret the wrong ECG. So always check the correct standardization in the ECG paper before interpretation. Thank you.